explain what quantum entanglement kind of is real quick and why it's so weird and important. Quantum entanglement, to not really explain how it works, but just kind of what it is two particles at the quantum level, quantum just tiny, right? When things are at the quantum level, they're so small that most of the time normal physics and whatnot doesn't really apply. And this is one case. It's when two particles are entangled, right? Meaning they're intertwined in a effectatious way. And what you'll kind of have happen is, let's say you have two entangled light photons, all right? So when you look up at the sun, okay, the sun is very far away. Light years, maybe not light years, I don't know. It's really far. So it takes, even though light is the fastest possible speed in the universe, that's going to be important in a second, it takes it time because it's just so far for the photon to travel. So let's say one photon travels down here, and you have one photon that stays in the sun. So right now, this light that's hitting my hand, as I look at it, I am time traveling in a way. What I mean by that is if any of these photons, and there's definitely photons here that are entangled with photons that are light years away. As I look at them, the observer effect happens, and it no longer acts as a wave, it's going to act as a particle. Again, that's the observer effect. Watch my other video on it. I kind of explained it. But basically, I look at this photon, it acts as a particle. It never really acted as a wave. It doesn't change from a wave. It makes the decision to. It's instant. And so does its entangled partner, which is light years away. And what's so interesting about that is the information travels instantaneously. That's really best word for it. Panpsychism tries to say that observation is part of reality. I can make a video on that. Let me know. But it's because what's it called? Einstein's theory of relativity said that light has to be the fastest possible thing in the universe. And yet we can see that these entangled particles, both of them, as soon as I look at one photon, the other one is affected immediately. It doesn't take time to travel for that information. So it's really weird. That's really, it's connected to a lot of things. There's also, the calcium atom firing. Let me know what you want to know.